So yeah, this is a correction to the assignment. This one is going to be VLOOKUP. The second one, which car gives us, so anything car, it should be XLOOKUP. I think since it's car, so this should be XLOOKUP. Aha. What of, okay, which of the customer comes from caches one? I think is this one. So let's solve it. The first one says, what customer segment does Benjamin Thomas and Ethan Lee fall under? This is fall under. Fall under. Okay. So we are looking for Benjamin Thomas and Ethan Lee. So we are going to say equals to VLOOKUP. The value, lookup value that we are looking for is okay, we can just write the name before starting just to make it easy for us. So we can say Thomas. Assuming the question is there, we'll have just clicked on the question, but since we don't have the question here, no, let me get it from here inside here. So it's going to be VLOOKUP. Sorry. Equals to VLOOKUP. So the value we're looking for is, where is Benjamin Thomas? This is Benjamin Thomas and then Lee. I can actually get the both of them together. Let me see if it's possible. This and this. No, 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 it's not. It's not. Hmm. And we cannot get, we can do something like this just to get the answer, then we can delete the other ones so that we don't waste much time on it. Table array, of course. So whatever you're looking for has to be the column 1 of your table array, right? So we can use that as our table 1. If we were looking for a value in this order priority, then we'll start highlighting from order priority, remember? Then we're going to look for the column index. The column index means column 1. No, what we are looking for is the, what did they say we should look for? The customer segment. So we are looking at customer segment. The customer segment, look at it, which is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. Customer segment 9. And then the lookup range, let's use 0. So it is going to give us this. So of course, what we are looking for is this one, Thomas Benjamin. The first one, look at it, Thomas, this one, retail. And then Ethan Lee. So 1, 2, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is retail and wholesale, which is this one and this one, these two. So we can delete this, can delete this. Oh, sorry, they are together. We can delete, the answer is wholesale and retail. So most of you said it's retail. I don't know how you got it. So that's wrong. The correct answer is retail and wholesale. The second question says, what was the sales amount for these 2 dates? From this date to this date. So from 1st 2025 to 5th of 2025. So this is 1st to 5th, right? So it says, what was the sales amount? Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's a problem here because if we use VLOOKUP here, VLOOKUP cannot go back. So we cannot really get the sales amount. So the only 2 ways here is to move this date to be behind sales amount. So we can do something like this, insert a new one, and then bring this date to this place. Sorry, I didn't copy it well. Or we can use XLOOKUP since it's going back, since XLOOKUP goes front and back. But I really want to use VLOOKUP for this one. I don't want to use XLOOKUP since it's a very simple something to do. So I'll just put these dates here. And then this is going to become our dates. So this one goes. I can just remove this one. So we are looking for the sales amount from first, second, third, and fourth, then fifth. So we just do VLOOKUP. Since we know we can look up different values at the same time, we are looking for these values, this lookup value. Then the array has to now start from here instead of here. We don't have any business with here. We'll start from here down to this place. Oh, sorry. Let me go again. Oh, this, I don't know what my hand is. Let's go again. We are looking for from first to fifth, comma. Then our lookup array is the entire table minus the ones behind. Then our column index, we are looking for sales for this couple of days. So it is going to be 1, 2, 3. Sales is in column 3. Then we're going to use exact match. Then these are the sales. Then you're combining it. So you're just simply going to do equals to
That's
sum
the sum.
for these dates. Then you just sum them. So it's going to give you this. Hello, everybody got this one correct. Well done, everybody. So the next one says, which car gave us profit of at least 1,500? So this is VLOOKUP. Obviously, you're going to add a new column, which is the profit column, because the profit column is not there, and you need to know the profit. So the profit is going to be the price
Price minus cost.
minus the cost. That's going to give you the profit. So now we know the profit, and then we can do something like sorting. Let me meet everybody. Yeah, good. So we can just come here and sort just to make it easy. Even though we don't sort anyway, it's not going to affect anything. We'll have almost all the 1,5 in the same place. So we can just do sort from the smallest to the largest, largest to smallest. Yeah, good. So he said, which one gave us below 1,500? Let me read the question again. Which car gave us profit of at least 1,005? So it is from 1,005 and above. That's what it's asking. From 1,500 and above, that's this ones. So we want to just check the car and the make if possible. So to do that, we can use XLOOKUP. Oh, sorry. Equals to XLOOKUP. So the lookup value, we are looking for from 1,500. We'll have them together. Then the lookup array. So this is going to be the array. Then close. The return array, we want to return the car, right? Then close. If not found, don't worry. Okay, if not found, say not found. Let's not leave it. It's very important. Then exact match 1, 0. Then close. It will return all the cars that give us that are above that. Which of our customer comes from SS1? Yeah, sure. You already know this one is VLOOKUP, right? So we are looking at SS1. Where is that SS1? So are you sure we have SS1 in this table? Okay, here. So which of our customer will just do equals to VLOOKUP. This should be VLOOKUP. Then we are going to click on this one. Then the lookup array. Oh, this one can go back.
So this one can go down.
So
We use next lookup.
yeah, it has to be XLOOKUP. Thank you. So we're looking for The lookup value is just one. The lookup array is this one. The return array is the name customer. Then just don't worry about the column. So Isabella Anderson. And then finally, get the list of car make and model that falls between this mileage. So a lot of you got this one. So I'm proud of everybody. You all got it. So I'm going to look into this particular one and know what the problem is, why it's giving us that. Yeah, so let's jump into what we have today so that we don't waste much time. But before we jump into what we have today, we have quite a lot. Before we jump into pivot table, Marco, please go on quickly. Please go on quickly.
Literally, I use XLOOKUP for almost everything I did because I discovered that XLOOKUP can do almost everything that VLOOKUP can do. That's why I use XLOOKUP. And in that number 3 question, I use filter and with a condition. Filter with a condition.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I use.
Okay. Yeah, sure. XLOOKUP, because that's why
the formula I used there was I use filter, then the column of the one the column of the column I want, then I give it a condition from that at least 1,500 naira pound, 500 pound. I gave it a condition from that. I chose that column should be greater or equal to 1,500. Then give a no match and close the bracket, and he gave me the list.
Okay. That's a good one. So you use filter to filter out the value, just like we sorted out all the value up here, right?
Yes,
then, okay, then you conditioned it. Okay, that's fine. We'll try that out. Yeah, go ahead, Dennis.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I wanted to ask. I wanted to request you to do the question number 5. It has been given me a rough time.
Okay, you want to solve the number 5?
Yes.
Okay, let's solve it
Thank
then.
you.
Get the list of get the list of cars, make and model that falls within the mileage of 15,000 to 25,000. So it's exactly what we did, exactly what we wanted to do here with the ones that have the profit. So it's just the same thing. Since you have, we use the profit, so it just comes to mileage. The mileage that falls between 15,000 to 25,000. So if you check here, you can also sort it, do something like sorting from smallest to biggest, or maybe largest to smallest. So you can see from 15. So it should be from 15 here up to 30. Sorry, up to 25. Yeah, 25. So you want to get all the cars that falls in between here. You want to see both the car and the mileage, the model, right? So you can use XLOOKUP to do that. You do XLOOKUP. You want to get the value. So your value is from 25. Your value is from 25 to 15. That's where you stop. Then lookup array, we want it to look for it here in this one. Then return both the car and the make, like this. Then if not found, 0, then close. So you can see, if you now draw it to this side, it also fill up the make for you. Mr. Dennis, did you see that?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. See you.